Let's focus upon the living area and the interior work which is done for your reference. This kitchen area is much more spacious. There's ample of space to move around in the room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Century Kindle Phase 1 by Century Real Estate located in Yelahanka North, Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual site of the project and this is the main entrance of the project. The land parcel starts from here and goes up to 15 plus acres. They have the marketing office inside over here itself. Now I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project. And the project is spread across 15.7 acre of land parcel consisting of total 6 towers. Currently launched with phase 1 consisting of 2 towers with 2 basement ground plus 19 floors, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK premium residency. Now about the amenities, and the project offers you world-class amenities like a 40,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, kids play zone, swimming pool, gymnasium, landscape garden and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Attur Road just opposite to Attur Lake in Yelahanka North, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project and this will be the main entrance of our project, and right opposite is the Attur Lake and you can have a look at the beautiful Attur Lake. And this is the Attur Road. This road on the left hand side will connect you towards Yelahanka main road and the opposite side road will take you towards Anantapura main road. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to Doddaballapuram main road in just 1.9 kilometers from the project. D-Mart is 4.1 kilometers away and Galleria Mall is 4.8 kilometers away from the location. Now let's quickly move inside your 2 BHK model flat of 1175 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of your house. So before you step inside, let me show you they are providing with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you step inside over here, this is your beautiful and spacious living area inside your 2 BHK. Let's focus upon the living area and the interior work which is done for your reference. With the sofa set placed over here, and this is a TV unit space where you can add up your TV unit, and additionally they will be providing you with a perfect balcony which is connected with your living area. And this is the balcony, comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now over this side is the kitchen area. If you want, you can add up your dining table right over the side like this. And this is your kitchen area. Let's focus upon the kitchen area. And this kitchen area is much more spacious. The interior work which is done with the platform, the cabinets, all the white goods and the utility space which is enclosed right over here. Comes up with window for ventilation and lighting purpose, provision for your machine, and even your sink area which is inside your utility space. Now let's head towards your bedroom space, and both the bedrooms are over this side. But before that, let me show you the common washroom right in the center of your home. With anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, the shower area which is divided via tile rope. So about your bedroom number 1, so your bedroom number 1 is right over this side, and once you enter over this bedroom, you can have a look at the space. This is the flooring, the vitrified flooring, and here's a spacious window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Comes up with iron grill with a mosquito mesh as well. And this is the bed area. Huge bed area placed in the center of the room. And if you want, you can even add up the TV unit space or the work table, the study table as well. Now about the wardrobe, you can add up your wardrobe right this way as they have shown. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only under Housey.com, so what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about the master bedroom, which is just beside this room. And here's the master bedroom. So once you step inside the master bedroom, let's focus upon this space. There's ample of space to move around in the room. And here's the bed area, the bed space. And about the windows, so they are not just providing you the window, here's a cute little balcony, the sit out area with anti-skid flooring and iron drilling. You can add up your TV unit, your work table right in front of the bed over here. And about the wardrobe, so perfectly the wardrobe is tucked inside like this. Even this bedroom comes up with a private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here in Yelahanka location. Have you checked another project in Yelahanka? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.